Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best Evercoat Feather Fill G2 is probably one of the most versatile and effective automotive primers on the market, designed to help you achieve a flawless finish on your vehicle's bodywork. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast tackling a restoration project, this primer offers exceptional filling capabilities, superior adhesion, and easy sanding, making it an indispensable tool for smoothing out imperfections and preparing surfaces for paint. Its advanced formula ensures a smooth, uniform base, crucial for achieving that showroom quality look that every car owner desires, ultimately saving you time and effort in the long run. Number 5. Roberlo Multyfiller Express Primer Filler with Hardener. Introducing a premium high-build automotive primer designed for professional refinishing. Its advanced formula delivers excellent filling properties and superior surface leveling for high-quality repair results. Engineered with fast-drying technology, this primer filler helps reduce repair cycle times. This allows professionals to improve workflow efficiency and complete repairs faster. The high-build formula effectively fills sanding scratches and minor imperfections. It also offers easy sanding properties to achieve a smooth, paint-ready surface. It provides outstanding adhesion to steel, aluminum, and galvanized steel. This makes it ideal for a wide variety of automotive repair applications. This kit includes primer and hardener, providing a complete solution. It's perfect for surface preparation, collision repair, and automotive refinishing. What we like. This primer filler is engineered for professional refinishing applications, offering excellent filling properties and superior surface leveling. Its fast-drying technology helps reduce repair cycle times, allowing for improved workflow efficiency. If you are a professional body shop looking to increase productivity and achieve high-quality repair results quickly, you should consider this. What people say. This primer sands very easily and smoothly. It fills minor imperfections and scratches well, creating a smooth surface for paint. The spray nozzle provides a fine, even mist for consistent coverage. Number 4. U-POL 1-gallon high-build urethane primer kit. Discover the European-style, multifunction primer designed for direct-to-metal application. This innovative product offers a convenient 3-in-1 solution for your priming needs. Achieve superior results with its high solids and high build formula. It features a simple 4-to-1 mixing ratio for ease of use. Experience excellent opacity and hiding power, ensuring a smooth and uniform finish. This primer effectively covers imperfections for a professional look. Enjoy flexibility with multiple curing options. It can be air-dried, low-baked, or IR cured to fit your workflow. This kit includes a standard temperature hardener, ensuring reliable performance in temperatures ranging from 60 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. What we like. This is a European-style, multifunction direct-to-metal primer with excellent opacity and hiding power. It offers flexibility in curing methods, allowing for air drying, low baking, or IR curing. If you need a versatile primer that can adapt to various shop conditions and offer excellent coverage, this is a great choice. What people say. It sprays unevenly and covers well. It sands very easily and smooths out imperfections. This primer is great for filling small dents and scratches. Number 3. Evercoat Feather Fill G2 Premium Polyester Primer Surfacer. Introducing Evercoat Feather Fill G2, the premium polyester primer surfacer. It provides an excellent foundation for any paint system, ensuring a flawless finish. Achieve a superior finish with its easy sanding capabilities. You can use 180, 220, or 320 grit sandpaper, adapting to various surfaces for optimal results. Experience its highly adhesive properties, featuring smooth spraying and a fast dry-to-sand time. The shrink-resistant formula ensures lasting durability. This primer surfacer is incredibly versatile. It's applicable on fiberglass, rigid plastics, and many other surfaces, making it a go-to solution for various projects. Trust in our high-quality formulations for your automotive body repairs. We offer premium putty, primer, and body filler designed for professional results. What we like. This primer surfacer provides an excellent foundation for any paint system, offering smooth spraying and a fast dry-to-sand time. Its shrink-resistant formula and versatility on fiberglass, rigid plastics, and more make it a reliable choice. If you are working with fiberglass or rigid plastics and need a primer that sands easily and resists shrinking, this is the one for you. What people say. This primer is a great product that works well. The primer provides excellent coverage and a smooth finish. It is easy to apply and sands down nicely. Number 2. Evercoat Slick Sand Polyester Primer Surfacer. Get an excellent foundation for any paint system with this convenient primer surfacer. It's designed to provide a smooth base for your project. Sanding is a breeze with this product. You can easily use 180 and 220 grit sandpaper with an orbital sander for a smooth finish. This highly adhesive primer is perfect for filling in rough and uneven surfaces. Achieve a smooth, uniform look in just one coat. Our versatile primer is applicable on a wide range of materials. It works great on metal, aluminum, fiberglass, and many other surfaces. Trust in our high-quality formulations for your automotive body repairs. We offer premium putty, primer, and body filler solutions. What we like. This primer surfacer is ideally suited for filling most rough and uneven surfaces in a single coat, providing an excellent foundation for any paint system. It offers easy sanding with various grit sandpaper options. If you're looking for a primer that can quickly level out rough surfaces in one application and sands down smoothly, this product is an excellent option. What people say. It sprays on evenly and covers well. The primer sands very easily and smooth. It dries quickly and is ready for primer. Number 1. Eastwood Contour Polyester Primer Direct to Metal Surfacer. Introducing our high-build primer and surfacer. It provides excellent filling characteristics and superior adhesion to a variety of surfaces. This primer is designed for direct application to metal surfaces. It creates a perfect base for any paint system you choose. Experience the Eastwood difference with our commitment to quality and innovation. We provide the know-how and products to help you get the job done right. With a high solids content, this product offers excellent coverage and durability. It's formulated for long-lasting performance. We stand behind our products with lifetime technical support. Trust us to assist you from start to finish. Please ensure proper ventilation and wear appropriate protective gear when using this product. Refer to the safety information for full details. What we like. This 2-component polyester primer surfacer has excellent filling characteristics and superior adhesion to a wide range of substrates including steel, aluminum, and fiberglass. It serves as an excellent base for any paint system. If you need a high solids primer with exceptional adhesion directly to metal surfaces and a robust foundation for your paint job, this is a top contender. What people say. It sprays on evenly and covers well. The primer sands easily and smoothly. It adheres well to various surfaces. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.